My name is Bernhard Staiber. I'm a designer and unit lead at Intuity Media Lab in Stuttgart. We help companies to improve, discover opportunities, and ideally realign their service strategy. I see a lot of parallels between UX design and cooking, actually, in terms of the evolution of the craft, its function, and even the effect or quality that results. And we all know that in UX there is also fast food as well as haute cuisine. The UXDA is there to tell the difference. It provides an outstanding stage to recognize excellence in UX design. And it helps to make the criteria known to a wider audience, I would say. In cultivating a clear attitude towards good experience design, it has become a beacon for quality. A bit like the Guide Michelin. And I'm very grateful to be part of that process. I think UX is a tricky craft. The endless layers of comfort we add to people's interactions can actually trap them in a golden cage and end up undermining diversity and openness. We see this tendency in large digital platforms, of course. On the other hand, power that UX has to influence people's behavior can also be used to spark much needed positive change towards an open society and sustainable habits. So, what is good UX design? For me, it's all about the balance. Great UX is engaging, efficient, and responsible. So continue to work on that great comfort machine that contributes to efficiency and joy of use, of course. But be aware of our responsibility and use UX as a catalyst for positive change. It is a constant dialogue that we as designers must have with our clients and their customers. Well, of course, relevance, solid usability, and attractiveness, that's the baseline. But above all, I love to see competence in dealing with complexity. And another aspect, I know from years of experience how difficult it can be to deal with rigid technological boundaries, to negotiate different goals and needs and so on. It can be quite adventurous to be a UX professional. That's why I appreciate courage. Leave the beaten path and demonstrate fresh thinking. Create a moment of surprise, a smile. Of course, there are tons that are mostly consequences of advances in technology. The device classes, NFC, you name it, you know it, you like it. I love it when a digital service tames complexity. Take the German text system, for example. The standard interface for text returns is an endless stream of forms, optimized for processing data. People are endlessly suffering. A startup called Steuerbot has turned this process upside down. They have introduced a conversational interface. A chatbot guides you through the whole process. Now, I would like to see the public administration in general question its own processes more and take such bold approaches to make the lives of its citizens easier. As a fellow UX designer, I really thank you for contributing to advance our craft. I'm really curious and looking forward to see your work.